I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create JotForm account, full guide. Sign up with an email or Google account, choose a strong password, and verify your address. Pick the free tier or review paid plans, then set basic profile and company details. Save your first form, test a submission, and enable email notifications so you know when responses arrive and everything works as expected. After creating your JotForm account, head to the dashboard to get comfortable. Verify your email and enable two-factor authentication for better security. Browse templates to find a layout that fits your needs and click to customize fields. Save changes frequently and test the form by submitting sample data so notifications, autoresponders, and integration settings behave exactly how you expect them to. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy tidy workflows, consider the Echo Dot smart speaker to bring your workspace to life with music and voice control. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful guides. Look in the description for the product link and other deals to save time and money. Now let's get back to the video. Design your first form by picking a template or starting blank to match your workflow. Drag and drop fields like name, email, and file uploads, then set required fields and conditional logic if needed. Customize notifications and autoresponders so respondents get confirmation messages. Finally, test the form, preview on mobile, and publish the link or embed code to begin collecting responses seamlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.